One of the things to keep in mind while you're completing your IDWs is filling out your title block. In this first section of the development rubric, which is identified under puzzle piece IDWs, you're going to be modeling each of your 5 puzzle part drawings as IPTs in Inventor. You're going to then correctly dimension each multi-view drawing in an IDW file, and you're going to show the 3 principal views and the shaded isometric view like we've been doing. Your drawings will be placed on the HHS title block, and the title block needs to be completely filled out, and each part is going to have the unique name. So, as a review, these are the 3 unique views: your top, your front, your right side. You're going to place the dimensions, and then your parts will all have your unique coloring, and you will need to shade your isometric view. The thing that I want to go over right now is down at the bottom of your title block. Most of you will not have this information all completely fill in as you're creating your drawings. So, for example, if I create a new sheet, it's going to prompt me to fill in this text. So type in name in caps. So you would type in your name. All right, and then you can do your project title. I'm going to call this one Puzzle Cube Project, since that is the project that we're working on. I'm going to select OK. And what that does, sorry, my mouse is backwards, is it fills in your first and last name underneath the designed by section, and it also fills in the project title. Now, if you didn't do this while you were creating your IDWs, there's a quick and simple fix on how to go ahead and fill that in. But first, I want to show you that as you place your parts, I'm going to use the yellow part real quick. Move this out of the way. And then once I place my views, press OK. Then the rest of that title block is going to go ahead and fill in with the date of the day you created it, what sheet number it is. So notice I have multiple sheets. It's going to go ahead and give me the sheet information, and it's also going to go ahead and give me the name of the file, as well as your username when you log in if you are working on a desktop. It will default to something if you're working through the web browser. So how do you edit your title block if you forget to put your name underneath designed by or project title? So what you'll need to do is come over to your browser bar. And right now I'm on this yellow part, sheet 8. And by selecting I call it a caret or the arrow right next to your sheet, it'll go ahead and open up some sub options. All right. What you're looking for is your IED title block. All right, this is what you want to go ahead and edit. So this is what we need to go ahead and locate. And we're going to open up that caret or that arrow, and you're going to see the words field text. All right, if you double click on field text, it's going to go ahead and open up each of your sections that are located in your title block. And you can fill in any of the categories that are missing. Traditionally, the 2 categories that are going to be missing is your first and last name and the title of your project. So you can go ahead and fill those in, and then you would press OK, and then the computer will do the rest of the work for you in updating your information. Each sheet that you create needs to have a completed title block. So again, my yellow part was just an example. So I'm going to delete that one. But when we're done, you should be able to toggle between your drawings, and all of your title blocks should be completely filled in when you created that part, the name of the project, who created it, and things like that. All right, so make sure as you're doing this that all 5 IDWs that are dimensioned with your individual pieces have a completely filled out title block. We will eventually get to the assembly and to the exploded view, but for today, that is all you need to worry about, and double check to make sure that your title blocks are filled out.